welcome back to the channel, where luxury meets performance. Today, we're diving deep into a masterpiece of elegance and engineering of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of prestige, technology, and sophistication. Whether you're a collector of automotive excellence or someone who appreciates the finer details, the SL 680 is bound to steal your attention. Let's explore every inch of this automotive royalty. Body panels. The exterior of the 2026 Maybach SL 680 is nothing short of a sculpted work of art. Handcrafted aluminum body panels form smooth, flowing lines that ooze elegance and confidence. Every curve is intentional, shaped for aerodynamic excellence and visual appeal. Chrome accents along the side sills, mirror caps, and window surrounds highlight its ultra-premium status. With its wide rear haunches and long hood, the proportions scream both luxury and sport in perfect harmony. Headlights. Up front, the SL 680 is fitted with digital light LED headlamps, a technology so advanced, it's practically intelligent. Each headlamp houses over 1 million micro-mirrors, allowing for ultra-precise light distribution. They can project warning symbols on the road, automatically adapt to traffic, and provide a near-daylight driving experience. The light signature is gracefully Maybach, with vertical elements and crystal-style finish giving it a distinct look even from afar. Taillights. The rear features ultra-slim OLED taillights that wrap around the back in a seamless arc. These lights aren't just beautiful, they're dynamic. Upon locking or unlocking the car, they perform an animated light show unique to the Maybach series. They ensure maximum visibility from any angle while enhancing the vehicle's dramatic rear stance. Grille. Dominating the front is the iconic Maybach grille, vertically slatted and finished in polished chrome. The design draws from classical luxury elements while housing active air flaps behind it to manage airflow and engine cooling. It's flanked by chrome mesh air intakes and proudly bears the Maybach emblem, declaring its lineage with quiet confidence. Seats. Inside, the SL 680 redefines luxury seating. The front bucket seats are wrapped in hand-stitched Nappa leather, featuring intricate diamond quilting and integrated ventilation, heating, and massage functions. A special Maybach-specific color palette, I think deep burgundy, satin white, and rose gold accents adds exclusivity. Though technically a roadster, the rear 2+2 layout offers refined space for short-distance passengers with equal attention to material quality. Dashboard. The dashboard is a sweeping piece of luxury, integrating soft-touch materials, polished metal, and genuine wood or piano black trims. Ambient lighting wraps around the entire panel, customizable in 64 colors. The centerpiece is a waterfall-style control layout that curves toward the driver, enhancing focus and ease of access. Every button and surface feels engineered for tactile perfection. Infotainment system. Dominating the center is an 11.9-inch Bucks Hyperscreen touchscreen system, specially tuned for Maybach. The interface offers AI-based voice control, 3D navigation, and split-screen functions, all wrapped in a rose gold-themed graphic scheme exclusive to the SL 680. Rear passengers get independent touch displays for controlling media, climate, and ambient lighting. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium 4D Burmester surround sound system deliver a concert-like audio experience. Steering wheel. The flat-bottomed, twin-spoke steering wheel is wrapped in dual-tone Nappa leather with chrome inserts. Integrated touchpads give full control over infotainment and instrument displays, while haptic feedback adds precision. A heated rim, memory positions, and Maybach-specific badging remind you that this isn't your average luxury car, it's the pinnacle. Engine. Under the long, elegant hood lies a beast, a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine, exclusive to Maybach. This power plant delivers an astonishing 680 horsepower and 738 pounds-feet of torque, sending this grand tourer from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.8 seconds. Power is delivered seamlessly through a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive. But despite its might, the engine operates with remarkable smoothness, staying nearly silent at cruising speeds and roaring only when provoked. Hybrid option. For the first time in an SL of this caliber, Mercedes-Maybach has added a mild hybrid 48-volt SEC boost system. This tech offers smoother acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and silent engine restarts. It assists the V12 during takeoff and gear changes, making the drive feel like gliding on silk, while also slightly reducing emissions, a small nod to sustainability without compromising performance. Airbags. Safety in the SL 680 is handled with the precision you'd expect from Mercedes. It features 12 airbags strategically placed, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. New to this model are adaptive rear seat airbags designed to cradle rear passengers during a collision. The entire structure is engineered with a reinforced aluminum space frame for maximum crash integrity. Parking assist. Navigating tight spaces in a luxury roadster has never been easier. The SL 680 includes active parking assist with a 360-degree surround view camera. The system can identify suitable parking spaces, steer the vehicle automatically, and even take over braking and acceleration. Parking lines and obstacles are shown in real time on the infotainment display, reducing stress and the chance of dents in your prized ride. Price. As you'd expect, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 starts at approximately $230,000, with high-end customization options pushing that number well past $270,000. From bespoke exterior paint finishes to a fully personalized interior with individual crest embroidery, every detail can be tailored to the owner's taste. For the elite few, it's more than a car, it's an experience. And there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680. A perfect fusion of old-world opulence and futuristic technology, dressed in performance like only a Maybach can deliver. If you're looking for a grand tourer that turns every drive into an occasion, this might just be your dream machine. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exclusive cars. Until next time,